Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study notes effectively. Start by actively recalling information. Instead of just rereading, try to remember key concepts without looking at your notes. This process strengthens your memory and helps identify areas needing more review. You can use flashcards or quiz yourself regularly. Aim for at least 15 minutes of active recall per study session to see significant improvement in retention. Next, incorporate spaced repetition into your study routine. This means reviewing material at gradually increasing intervals. For example, review a topic after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. This method combats the forgetting curve, ensuring information moves from short-term to long-term memory. Adjust your schedule to revisit challenging concepts more often. Consistent, spaced reviews are key to mastering complex subjects. Enhance your learning through elaboration and connection. Don't just memorize, explain concepts aloud in your own words. Try to link new information to existing knowledge or real-world examples. Creating analogies can make abstract ideas more concrete and memorable. This active processing helps you understand the why behind the what, leading to a much deeper and more flexible comprehension of the material. Finally, solidify your understanding by teaching the material to someone else, even if it's just an imaginary audience. This forces you to organize your thoughts and identify gaps. Regularly reflect on your study methods, what worked well and what didn't. Optimize your approach based on these insights. And hey, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.